wanted a conclusion that she should be with somebody. I'd love to hear who else, anybody else, what did you all think about the end?
I think, well, that was another question a friend of mine who was sitting next to me asked me. But for me, that felt like she had accepted herself, you know, her sexuality and all these things that were happening around her. By the way, there's one more thing, and not a question, but what I want to add about the script and the whole story itself. I think all these issues about, you know, of course, women being, you know, strong and very, you know, mentally strong people, as far as I've heard this come across in my life. And also this whole confusion. Yeah. No, and the actors, sorry. The actors, well, darling Khalki, I've seen you in Ekthi Dayan. I'm sorry, not great.
No, I'm sorry.
But this one was epic. Yeah, this one was lovely. And you, my dear, lovely. Very.
So, and I love the way you have found space from there to love
because I want to tell Sakshi, okay, now I can tell you guys, don't run away, we need to take a picture with Sandeep.
Now you're going to move here.
I might.
13-year-olds and a 19-year-old who has never, doesn't even know what gay means, has their first encounter with somebody and falls deeply in love, and that's the relationship they have. Before that, they had crushes on boys. This person was, they're in a world where you don't think that people fall in love with a girl, like you all do that. So now, for her, I'm against Kipling anyway. I feel she said that because I wanted that joke about the bi. Actually, I don't feel she would say I'm in love with Kanu. Like in that scene, I don't think she'll label herself that I'm bi. I don't think she has that awareness to say that. Really, to be very honest, and I love that. That is such a lovely line for the mother to think she's saying bi. You know, I feel. Please get people to watch it. I will. So we don't get enough boxing.
Excuse me.
Today there was an LGBT screening that they organized themselves and they just called us for it, and you know, we were really happy to come and do a Q&A and get a feedback of the film, and they really were happy. A lot of people you know, were really moved by the film, so it's been good.
But what do you feel in the lesbian community or the gay community? Is this something very you know, in our society, people are not broad-minded as such. They don't accept the kind of relationship they have. So what do you comment on it?
I think you can't generalize our society. I think there's a fringe part of our society that doesn't accept it, but I don't think that's true of everybody. And I think what has been said very nicely at this meeting today is that you know, it's treated as very normal in the film, that we see the human beings in the story, whether they're gay or disabled. So I think that's really what the film is talking about.
But as a celebrity, will you do something for changing the mindset of the society?
I'm here as an actor, not an activist. So my job is to keep acting and do good roles. Shayoni.
So the film has been released. How is the response of the public as well as, you know, from the people from the Bollywood community as well?
The Bollywood fraternity was loving the film. After obviously Amir Khan and Kiran Rao, and then Mr. Bachchan saw it and loved the film and then tweeted about it, and really encouraging everybody else to watch it. We had screenings every day in Bombay. you know, people actually told us that we've never been to a screening after which people are generally people are happy, and in here people are really somber, and you know, they go back, everybody is running to the loo and with clogged nose and crying and really moved. So it was very unreal for us to see that kind of response. But since the film released, we saw it with the audience. Yesterday I went with my friends, and actually we found the audience more interactive, more reactive than even the Firang audience, you know, in the festival. So I think it's great. The response is stunning. On Twitter, Facebook, random, you know, people are commenting on it, and also grown-up people. You know, what is lovely is all people of all age group is liking the film. So it's ecstatic.
Talking about the public interaction, what was the interaction, and what about the subject of it, and what do you have to comment on lesbian community as well?
Well, there is. The screening here was very good because also it's the people. I mean, the film obviously talks about it doesn't talk about the issue, but the two main protagonists are gay in the film, and it's extremely unfortunate that, you know, in the 21st century you live in a country which is supposed to be you know, a democratic country, but it's unfortunate that you know, we can't choose the people we love, and somebody else wants to choose love for us, and it is pretty ridiculous in today's day and age. And I have lots of gay friends, although I'm straight, and it should be as normal as a heterosexual relationship. This was great because, you know, you also get to see what people who are actually gay and in homosexual relationships, what they feel about the film, and if they could connect to it, and it seems like they loved it. So.
Sonali Bose. हाँ बोलिए ना. सोनाली बॉस. सही नहीं, ये तो फ्रेंड बनी ना उसकी. हाँ. सही नहीं. डायरेक्टर वहाँ है. बोलो डायरेक्टर वहाँ का. वो नहीं है, नहीं वो नहीं है, चले गए लगता है. पूछते हैं PR से. Discussion all about. What are the subject of the discussion as such?
So the main thing here was that it was organized by the gay community, Gacy family they're called, and they invited me here to come to Mataran Theatre because they wanted to have a private discussion. And there was a lot of public here, and I was surprised that most of the questions weren't about that. I kept bringing it up, like the people were so stunned by other things explored about loving and embracing yourself and other topics that we had a really good and open discussion on many things to do with the film here, and really nice to meet the public. I'm coming from Phoenix Mills PVR. I just went, that was my first public screening. I was sitting there quietly, nobody knew I was there. And my heart was just beating because I was so scared. This is public, like here people have come, they want to meet Sonali Bose Kalki Kekla. There nobody knows Sonali Bose is sitting there. I was like, how will they react to this film? They watched it, they laughed, they cried, they think, and then I stood up and I said, I'm Sonali Bose, I'm the writer-director. Standing ovation, that whole hall stood up. I started crying. It was so beautiful because that was, so now I'm rushing now. I want to go to Fun Republic, I'm going to as many theatres to just see the public.
Also, you know, although the gay relation or lesbian relation is legalized, but people don't see it in a positive manner. So what needs to change the mindset of the people?
You see, I'm finding audiences are so open to the gay relationship. They, as I'm saying in Phoenix Mills, they were a very mainstream audience, and they sat quietly and watched the whole love scene. We had a screening on Friday in Pune, 400 Marwadis watching it. They don't even know what gay means. And they said, yes, shocking लगा, लेकिन बहुत इमोशनल है. अभी हमें सोचना है इसके बारे में. हमें कभी सोचा नहीं है कि अगर हमारे बच्चे गे हैं. So this is a conversation opener, this film, and it's enlightening a lot of people. And the way we've shot it is so sensitive that it's not. Sometimes you think gay and lesbian, how they'll make it sensationalized. I saw the opposite of sensationalizing. It's very sensitive. That is why those who are even conservative are loving the film, because I've touched their hearts.
Thank you,
Thank you so much.